Understanding, I got splashed. A fun guide to everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we have a fun and exciting topic. I got splashed. This phrase is a common part of everyday English, and understanding it can help you in many real-life situations. So, let's dive in and explore what it means, how to use it, and some interesting examples. I got splashed is a phrase used to describe a situation where water or another liquid is accidentally thrown or falls onto someone, usually unexpectedly. This can happen in various scenarios, like walking near a puddle and a car drives by, splashing water onto you. It's a phrase that often conveys surprise and sometimes annoyance or amusement, depending on the context. In this section, let's look at some real-life examples to understand how and when to use I got splashed. 1. Walking on a rainy day. Imagine you're walking on the sidewalk, and it's raining. A car speeds by, hitting a puddle, and water splashes all over you. You'd say, I got splashed, to describe what happened. 2. At a pool or beach. If you're sitting by a pool and someone jumps in, causing water to splash onto you, that's another perfect situation to use this phrase. These examples show that getting splashed can be both accidental and sometimes a bit annoying, but it's a common part of life. There are variations of I got splashed that can be used in different contexts. For example, I was splashed by a car. This is more specific and indicates the source of the splash. We all got splashed at the water park. This shows that it can happen to a group and in a fun context. Understanding these variations helps in knowing how to adapt the phrase to different situations. And that's a wrap on I got splashed. I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable. Remember, phrases like these are part of everyday English, and understanding them will make your communication more effective and natural. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning content. See you in the next video.